Hello, good morning student. Today we will discuss grouping of cell. Yesterday we discussed one question based on internal resistance and terminal potential. Now there are two types of grouping. One is called series grouping and one is called parallel grouping. In series grouping, the negative terminal of one cell is connected with the positive terminal of another cell. Here we have three cells E1, E2, E3 having internal resistance R1, R2, R3, and in series combination the current remains same throughout the circuit as well as throughout each cell. And this is the symbol for the cell. Symbol for the cell is this is the symbol which includes cell and internal resistance. Now suppose A1, A, B and C are the 3 points and two cells, one cell is E1 and one cell is E2 are connected here, and 3 points, point A, point B, point C. So 3 points are there. The potential at point A, B and C are VA, VB, VC. Now what is VA minus VB? VA minus VB is the potential difference between A and B point, and it will be potential difference means it is the terminal potential difference, and that will be E1 minus IR1. And here we will take same current. The current I current is flowing throughout the circuit, and if we take these 2 points B and C, so here since we have cell E2, so in that case it becomes E2 minus IR2. So E2 minus IR2. So total cell VAC, VA minus VC, VA minus VB. We can write this. As VA minus VB and VB minus VC, and it is E1 minus IR1 plus E2 minus IR2. Then E1 plus E2 minus I R1 plus R2. This E1 plus E2 is the equivalent EMF, and this R1 plus R2 is equivalent resistance. So in series combination, E equivalent equal to E1 plus E2 and R equivalent will be R1 plus R2. Then we have one more combination, that is parallel combination of cells. So here we have two cells E1 and E2, internal resistance R1 and R2. Now I current is flowing here, so I1 current will go here and I2 current will go here. Then but in the parallel combination between these 2 points, the voltage remains same. So let us see the derivation from the NCERT book. Here we have two cells. This is cell E1, this is cell E2. I1 current will flow through this cell and I2 current flow through this cell, and I equal to I1 plus I2. Now when these two cells are connected, then the potential drop between B1 and B2 point, it will be VB1 plus VB1 and VB2. So the potential difference will be V, and the same potential difference will be here also, because in parallel combination the potential is same. So V E1 minus IR1, and then for the second cell V equal to E2 minus IR2. And from these two equation 1 and from equation 2, we can calculate I1. So equation 1, V equal to E1 minus IR1. This E will go this side, equal to minus I1 R1 multiplied with minus sign, E1 minus V upon R1, this is I1, and this is I2, same consideration. So E2 minus V upon R2 equal to R2, I2. Since we have I equal to I1 plus I2, so what we can write, I equal to E1 minus V upon R1 plus E2 minus V upon R2. Then mathematically we can write E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2 minus V 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon plus 1 upon R2. Now we have to calculate V from this equation. You can take LCM here. This step, the final step from previous page come here. When we take LCM, I equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 R2 minus V R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2. Don't see this, we will reach to this. It is directly written. Now from last page, I equal to this, then cross multiplied, I R1 R2 E1 R2 plus E2 R1 minus V, then transfer this E that side minus V, then multiplied with V minus, so V equal to this much, and V equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 R2 minus I R1 R2 upon this relation. So these steps are not given there in the book. Now this is terminal potential. Now V equal to E equivalent minus I R equivalent. What is E equivalent? E equivalent is this. This is E equivalent and this is RE equivalent. This is E equivalent, R equivalent. And we can write E equivalent as E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2. And 1 upon RE equivalent we can write 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Yes. So E equivalent upon R equivalent equal to E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2. This is the combination for the parallel combination of cell. Then we can do mixed grouping. This is called mixed grouping. The diagram is what? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 n cells. In EMF, having same EMF E. Then 1, 2, 3 n cell. 1, 2, 3 n cell. And then how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 m rows. So if you do it, it will be equal to, this particular line will be equivalent to NE, because in series combination we know E1 plus E2, and resistance will be in series combination R1 plus R2, so NR. So this is equivalent to, this circuit diagram is equivalent to this circuit diagram. And then this is NR. So it will become what? NR upon M equal to this. And then, so let us see how this works. See, mixed grouping. N cells are connected here, having internal resistance RRR. So the EMF will be NE of this line, NE of this line, NE of this line. Then resistance, its resistance will be RRR NR, RRR NR, RRR NR. Now how many times NR? That 1 by NR, 1 by NR, 1 by NR up to M terms. So 1 by RP equal to M upon NR. This is the resistance in parallel combination. So this is NR, NE, and resistance NR equivalent to this. Now NR if you add, NR if you add, it becomes NR upon M. So total current I equal to E upon R. This R will be R plus NR upon M. Then take LCM NE NR. It will go this side. For maximum current now in which case the current will be maximum? Yesterday also the same question was there. In which case the current will be maximum? The current will be maximum if resistance is less. Which resistance? This resistance. You see carefully. This resistance less. Now if this resistance, what is the less value of this resistance? You can minimize it, and the minimum value of this is 0. But that is not possible. So we will calculate the minimum value of this. I equal to NE MNE MR plus NE. Now this value we will calculate. The minimum value MR plus NE should be minimum. We can write root of, means this equation, this step we can write like this. Root of MR square plus root of NR square minus plus it is 0. And root, if you cut, so it will be like this. So if you cut if you take root and square, it will be, so this particular line we can write like this, and then it becomes a square of a minus b root mr minus this plus. So in this case it is minimum, and this will be minimum if this term is equal to 0. Root mr minus root nr equal to 0, and this is 0 means mr equal to nr or r equal to this. If you take n equal to 1 and m equal to 1, what you will get? N and m both are 1 1, so r equal to what? R. That means external resistance should be equal to internal resistance. And whenever external resistance is equivalent to internal resistance, then current will be maximum. So this is our grouping of cell in parallel combination, mixed combination. In yesterday's question also, current will be maximum or output power dissipation when external resistance is equivalent to internal resistance. So you do this derivation, write with your own, and when you will write, then you will realize what is series parallel combination of cell and what is the mixed grouping of cell. And these are the questions. Thank you.